This is your Feel Good Breakfast Show, Espresso on SABC3. A happy Wednesday morning, especially if you just tuned in. And exciting stuff because we've got our vital expert in studio. Andrea, good morning and welcome.
Good morning.
It's always good to have you here, and there's fresh foods. I can smell them from where I am. And then also the Facebook page. It's interesting how many questions have come through of people just asking questions about simple stuff where we need some help. Now, how do we search for you on Facebook, first of all?
It's very easy. On Facebook, you search for Andrea, Vital Expert.
Okay.
And then you get to my page, you can post your question, and then I'll answer it.
Okay, well, we've got a few that came through. Hello, Andrea. I'm 17 years old and I'm in matric. I'm always tired. I normally sleep at 9 p.m., this one says. I wake up at 6 p.m. And I just can't stop being tired. I'm always eating healthy. I drink lots of water. So it seems like someone who is eating healthily, but they still can't sleep.
If you sleep enough, you eat a healthy diet, and there's no other medical reason that you know of that you feel so extremely tired, it's good to go to your doctor first. So somebody who sleeps enough, drinks enough water, eats a healthy diet, maybe their fatigue is linked to low blood pressure.
Right.
And that you can determine through by going for a blood pressure test, and that you can go to your nearest clinic or pharmacy for. Another reason could be low iron levels, so that would require a blood test.
Right.
So just popping extra multivitamins is not necessarily going to fix the problem. It seems that there may be an underlying medical problem there.
And I must say, I'll call you anonymous just for the sake of, because I'm reading your personal stuff here, that you're on the right track. You're doing all the right stuff.
Yes.
So it's exciting that you are eating healthy and drinking lots of water. Another one that came through says, I wanted to know if there's any vital supplement for bladder. So they're asking specifically for bladder.
Now, if you look at your bladder, specifically looking at its function, obviously it helps the body to excrete excess water and also metabolites, etc. But sometimes the bladder's health is compromised. So bladder infections is one example of a problem that many people experience. And it's fascinating to see what they've discovered through research. We've got some cranberry juice here,
Right.
and also some dried cranberries. Now, this fruit specifically has been shown to help reduce the risk and recurrence of bladder infections.
Now, I've been told, so why is that? I mean, it's just a yummy raisin-looking fruit and juice, I guess.
The pleasant surprise is the red colorant in the juice and in the fruit is natural,
Right.
and it's an antioxidant. And they've shown that that antioxidant has protective effects over the bladder. So eating the dried cranberries or drinking the juice can definitely benefit your health. But he asked for a supplement. So Vital makes a supplement with cranberry extract called Vital Cranberry Complex. So this is specifically formulated for people that suffer with recurring bladder infections. If you've got an infection and you've got a fever, you need to go to the doctor. Then you probably need antibiotics.
Okay, so if there's a fever, there's a problem. Okay. There's another one that came through. This one says, hi, Andrea. I'd like to know if there's a vital product for, is it edema? What is that?
Yes.
In legs and ankles, what is that?
Edema is water retention.
Right.
So if your body retains excess water, you notice it sometimes, and with women specifically, we often experience that with the monthly hormone cycles and all of that, with your fingers feeling swollen. Some people say their rings don't fit well, or sometimes you feel that your feet are swollen. They don't fit into your shoes properly. But if your feet are swollen and your legs are swollen, it shows that there's maybe a more serious problem.
Right.
So it would be good to go to the doctor and see if there are any, once again, underlying medical conditions, or is it just because of your hormones or that sort of thing. And there are foods that have natural diuretic properties. And what diuretic means is it helps your body to get rid of excess fluids. So parsley and cucumbers are probably on top of that list.
Okay.
And one that we won't eat necessarily is buchu. You know the buchu?
Oh, yeah,
Yes.
but...
So you can get that through, you can buy buchu tea, and Vital makes a buchu capsule.
I'm curious, does it smell like the buchu we know from
It
like
does.
Oma Sakumbais?
Yes, yes.
Wow.
Yeah.
Look at that, a buchu in a bottle, literally. Well, this is fascinating stuff. You can ask your questions too. Andrea is available for you, and you heard it, she's online as well, our vital expert, and that's how you look for her. Andrea, thanks for always bringing insights and yummy food. Can I have that for breakfast?
You're welcome to have the
gonna eat all
cucumbers
those
for breakfast. I'll have the cranberries.
Well, from exciting stuff and also how to take care of our bodies. And once again, thanks for all your questions that came through to Katlego and you, and they're on the other side.
The Vital Foundation takes action against women and child abuse. R1 from every Vital pack will be donated to organizations fighting abuse. Make a difference.